Thank you for so many returning wonderful faces. I love seeing the old shirts. We've only been touring for a little bit, but we've been a band for a while, and it's so nice coming back to places and feeling welcomed. So I just wanted to say thank you before we continued with our set. This next song is an older song. I think it's one of our first songs. It's called Enough. I'm just messing with him.
Yes! I like that one.
We have some more songs, some old ones, some new ones. I have a question though. Are you guys here to have a good time? This next song is called Fake. And at a bare minimum, I know there's a lot of stuff in the way and all that stuff. Just bend your head.
In and out again. All you do is I play pretend. Don't show you're listening, cause you can't seem to stop. It's alright, everything will. I always feel we fight.
Well. So, this is so much fun. I will never say it's not. But I will always say that it sucks ass to grind something out for so long. But I'm happy. We've been on the radio this year. We've had so many cool things happen.